Yo guys, welcome back to Pokemon India official, and yes guys, finally we are out of Mumbai. So we are at the Daman, it's like beach or something, and there are like full of Pokemons guys. So I'm very excited to see what we can get over here. But I don't know there is any Poke Stop nearby or something, because there is no Poke Stop and no gym at all over here. So it's very hard to find a Poke Stop and a Pokeball. So if you have tons of Pokeballs, then only you should come over here and you can get this Pokemon. So let's sit back, relax, and just enjoy the video, and let's see what we can get over here and what we can find over here guys. So guys, it's the first Pokemon over here. It's the Oddish, and we'll go and we'll see what we can get over here guys, and I will surely show you the scenes over here. It's a great beach guys. If you want to come over here, you can easily come from like, it's near to the Gujarat or something, and it's very good. And I don't have any normal ball, I have this great ball or something. So let's see what we can get, and it's a good start for today, and it's a Oddish. So let me show you all the scenes over here after catching this Oddish, or later on in this video guys. Guys, here is the beach. You can see it's a wow and it's so nice place, and here is some camel over here. So you can see it's like, and it's a great thing. It's like so you can enjoy all this stuff over here guys, and it's a beach over here, but it's like nowhere near, sand is nowhere near, but still you can find a lot of Pokemons over here, tons of Pokemons, but there is no Pokestop over here. So guys, let's sit back, relax, and you just saw I just caught a Scyther over here. So means, and there is a Butterfree nearby, so I think so there is a like rare Pokemon spawning over here, but I don't know where it is. So just sit back and let's see what we can get over here. So let's see guys. So it's finally done, guys. You have seen over here, it's like a ton of rare Pokemon, guys. You can see over here. Still, it's full of sightings, and you can see it's spawning Geodude and everything over here, guys. So if you are coming over here, it's like Daman in Gujarat, something nearby, and I came out for play Pokemon Go, and I was not having a normal ball, but I have like 100 plus great balls, so it was okay for me. So if you are coming over here, guys, so please come with a lots of Pokeball. And there was a Dragonair too, which just ran off from me. I didn't record the screen, guys. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed that, hit that like button, guys, and let me know what you want more I have done with the marine drives, but I didn't upload it. I will be doing that soon. That's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys enjoyed, so please like, subscribe, and guys comment where you want to go, where I want to go next. Again, give me suggestions. I will surely do for that. And you can see it's still full. The sightings are still full, and I got EV has been spawning like wow, guys. And it's very weird to catch a Magikarp in a great ball, but I don't have any normal ball, and I need for third Gyarados. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and peace. See ya, guys.